There are places on our planet so surreal they could belong to another world. From flaming craters to mountains rising above the clouds, these locations are so unique, it's hard to believe they even exist. Get ready as we travel to 5 unreal places that look out of this world. Vinicunca, also known as Rainbow Mountain, is located in the Peruvian Andes. This mountain is famous for its bright, naturally occurring colors, reds, yellows, greens, and even blues, created by minerals found in the mountain's slopes. Although it looks like a piece of art, it is a completely natural formation, shaped by thousands of years of wind and weathering. Mount Roraima is a tabletop mountain that rises above the jungle, straddling 3 countries: Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana. Its summit is shrouded in clouds, and its vertical cliffs are so dramatic that they make you feel like you've stepped into a lost world. This mountain inspired many myths and even the movie Up. On its summit, you'll find a unique ecosystem with plants and animals that exist nowhere else on Earth. Darvaza Crater, also known as Hell's Gate, is a massive gas crater that has been burning for over 50 years. In 1971, geologists accidentally ignited this fire, and it hasn't gone out since. The eerie glow from the flames at night creates an almost otherworldly atmosphere, as though you've stepped into the gates of hell. Located in Arizona's Paria Canyon, the wave is an otherworldly sandstone formation that looks like a flowing, undulating wave of rock. Its unique pattern was created by millions of years of erosion, and it resembles something that would be found on an alien planet. The stunning formations of reds and oranges make it look like liquid rock frozen in time. Salar de Uyuni is the world's largest salt flat, and after it rains, it transforms into a giant mirror. This optical illusion makes it appear as if you are walking on the sky itself. The vast flat expanse reflects the clouds above, creating one of the most surreal and breathtaking landscapes you can ever witness. Which of these places amazed you the most? Comment below and let us know. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Travel Moss for more incredible destinations from around the world.